Assalamualaikum. So today I want to show you guys this makeup tutorial for this look. It's a cranberry mulberry kind of look. So I hope you guys like it. So without any wasting of any time, so let's jump to the makeup. Okay, firstly we start with brow. I use Rimmel London eyebrow pencil in shade dark brown. So we brush our brow first. Okay, this is the pencil. It's not smudged at all. So we line the rangka first, below and up, then we fill in. Fill. Okay, remember that our brow is not a twin, but they are sisters, so they should not be the exactly same, but yeah, they should be they should be like not so different, I think. So after fill in, we brush the brow to make it looks natural. Okay, after that, it's not done yet. We must conceal the remaining eyebrow to make it looks neat and like on flick. Yes, like so. Don't forget to prime your lid before putting eyeshadow later. I use my concealer, Fit Me Maybelline in shade 10 like to conceal my brow and prime my lid. So I blend together. So next for the eyeshadow, I use Wet n Wild Tan palette in Rose in the Air. Okay, I use this brown shade, transition shade, and put it on my crease and whole lid. Blend. Don't be too harsh, and we need to blend it smoothly, because we don't need to have harsh line on our eyeshadow, except for if we do cut crease tutorial. Okay, so next we move to the next shade, is this brownish red shade, and we put on the transition shade that we use first. So yeah, so blend. Then we take another brush with no eyeshadow to blend it smoothly. Okay, then we take this bright pink color in this palette with this type of brush. Then blend it on the color that we put just now. So it's just 3 colors combined together. Yeah, so it looks like cranberry, right? Other brush again with no eyeshadow to blend it the 3 color. So next we move to the mascara. I use Loreal Lash Paradise mascara. Yes. After we're done with the eyes, we move to the base. So I use the Ordinary Silicone Primer. This is my favorite primer ever because it makes my makeup stay longer, last longer, at least for 8 to 10 hours. So far I will. Okay. Then I wanna color correct my skin because I have a lot of dark scars. So I put it on my dark scars. I use peach color corrector because peach color corrector corrects dark color, green corrects red, and yellow corrects dull. So yeah. Oh, and the eyes also need to be correct because my under eyes is a little bit dark since a PKP. Then we blend it with fingers. Okay, done. Next, foundation. I use this L'Oreal Infallible 24 hours full coverage foundation. So I just put it on my face first, all over. Then I use this IT Cosmetic brush, foundation brush, to blend my foundation. I love this brush, but it's so pricey and it's a limited edition brush. So yeah, blend and blend. So we need to set it. I set using Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in coat 10. Like, don't use too much, just a little bit. So I leave to bake a little bit under my eyes and just put remaining powder on the other side. Because my face is a little bit dry, so I do not use more setting powder because it makes my skin drier. But if you are oily skin, you need to set it nicely and properly. So next we move to the blush. So I use Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in color Pearlescent pink. So yeah, just put it on your cheek. I also like to put blusher on my chin and on a bridge of my nose to look nice and sweet. Okay, done. We move to the bronzer. Okay, use this brush to bronze your face. I use Bahama Mama bronzer. I love the shade so much because it is cool tone. It's not so warm, so it suits my face better than a warm bronzer. So bronze your chin and cheekbones. So done. So move to the highlighter. I use Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter in Precious Petals. So use this type of brush and put that highlighter on your cheek. Boom. Yeah, I love highlighter so much. It makes my skin glow and shine. Also, put that highlighter on the bridge of your nose, point of the nose, chin, to complete the face, and on your lips. So yeah, done. So complete the eyes look to put the color of the same color of top of the crease to put under your eyes. Okay, then blend it a little bit to reduce harsh lines. So next we move to the eyeliner. So I really like to use eyeliner, black eyeliner at my waterline, so it's like looks a little bit smoky and nice. Okay, next I will do wing eyeliner. I only use a black eyeshadow because I cannot use a pen eyeliner because it's so like very hard to do. That is my hit and miss for me. So yeah. Okay, done. So we take the same highlighter as we used just now to put on the inner corner of eyes. So use this type of brush, smaller point brush, and put it there like so, and the point of your nose. Okay, done. So what's to put on the lip? So I put Loreal Infallible Pro Matte Lipstick in shade Nudist. So it match my eye looks. colour so much. So yeah, we are done. Okay, so I think I need to change my to-do. Okay, so this is the final look. That's all from me in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on next one.